Welcome to a blessed day of learning and growth. Today, we are thrilled to embark on a journey of knowledge as we delve into the fascinating topic of classification of crimes. Get ready to expand your understanding and enjoy this insightful video, carefully crafted to be an excellent learning guide. As you watch the video, remember to prioritize your safety, both online and offline. Always be mindful of your surroundings, and take necessary precautions. We want all of you to be safe and secure in your learning endeavors. May the blessings of the Almighty be with you always, guiding and inspiring you throughout this learning experience and beyond. Remember, knowledge is a powerful tool, and with it, you can make a positive impact on the world. Thank you for being a part of the Teach Illumabin YouTube channel, where we strive to empower learners like you with valuable knowledge and insights. Let's begin this exciting journey together.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Crime. Krimen. Refers to an act committed or omitted in violation of public law, Phil. Law Dictionary. Ay tumutukoy sa isang kilos na ginawa o inalis bilang paglabag sa pampublikong batas, Phil. Law Dictionary. It also refers to an act committed or omitted in violation of a public law forbidding or commanding it, Reyes 2006. Ito rin ay tumutukoy sa isang kilos na ginawa o tinanggal bilang paglabag sa isang pampublikong batas na nagbabawal o nag-uutos dito, Reyes 2006. An act or omission that is prohibited by law and punishable by a state or other authority. Isang gawa o pagkukulang na ipinagbabawal ng batas at maaaring parusahan ng isang estado o iba pang awtoridad. An intentional violation of a social norm that is considered harmful or dangerous to society. Isang sinadyang paglabag sa isang pamantayang panlipunan na itinuturing na nakakapinsala o mapanganib sa lipunan. A behavior that is considered to be morally wrong or unacceptable. Isang pag-uugali na itinuturing na mali sa moral o hindi katanggap-tanggap. The definition of crime can vary depending on the jurisdiction, but it generally includes the following elements. Ang kahulugan ng krimen ay maaaring mag-iba depende sa jurisdiction, ngunit sa pangkalahatan ay kinabibilangan ng mga sumusunod na elemento. The act or omission must be prohibited by law. Ang pagkilos o pagkukulang ay dapat na ipinagbabawal ng batas. The act or omission must be intentional. Ang kilos o pagkukulang ay dapat sinadya. The act or omission must cause harm or endanger the safety of others. Ang kilos o pagkukulang ay dapat magdulot ng pinsala o ilagay sa panganib ang kaligtasan ng iba. Classification of crimes. Klasifikasyon ng mga krimen. Legal classifications. Mga legal na pag-uuri. Isa. According to the law violated. Ayon sa batas na nilabag. A. Felony, an act or omission punishable by law which is committed by means of dolo, deceit, or culpa, fault, and punishable under the revised penal code. Felony, isang gawa o pagkukulang na pinarurusahan ng batas na ginawa sa pamamagitan ng dolo, panlilinlang, o culpa, kasalanan, at maaaring parusahan sa ilalim ng binagong Kodigo Penal. B. Offense, an act or omission in violation of a special law. Pagkakasala, isang gawa o pagkukulang na lumalabag sa isang espesyal na batas. C. Infraction, an act or omission in violation of a city or municipal ordinance. Infraction, isang gawa o pagkukulang na lumalabag sa ordinansa ng lungsod o munisipyo. 2. According to the manner of committing the crime. Ayon sa paraan ng paggawa ng krimen. A. By means of dolo or deceit if the crime is committed with deliberate intent. Thus, it is called an intentional felony. Sa pamamagitan ng dolo o panlilinlang kung ang krimen ay ginawa ng may sadyang layunin. Kaya, ito ay tinatawag na intentional felony. Freedom or voluntariness. Kalayaan o kusang loob. Intelligence. Katalinuhan. Intent. Layunin. B. By means of culpa or fault. Sa pamamagitan ng culpa o kasalanan. Felonies committed by means of culpa, fault. Mga krimen na ginawa sa pamamagitan ng culpa, kasalanan. The act or omission of the offender is not malicious and the injury caused by the offender is unintentional, it is simply the incident of another act performed without malice. Ang kilos o pagkukulang ng nagkasala ay hindi malisyoso at ang pinsalang dulot ng nagkasala ay hindi sinasadya, ito ay ang insidente lamang ng isa pang kilos na ginawa ng walang mali siya. Lack of foresight. Kawalan ng pananaw. Lack of skill. Kakulangan ng kasanayan. Negligence. Kapabayaan. Imprudence. Kawalang ingat. Tatlo. According to the stages in the commission. Ayon sa mga yugto sa komisyon. A. Attempted. The crime is attempted when the offender commences the commission of a felony directly or overacts, and does not perform all the acts of execution which should produce the felony by reason of some cause or accident other than his own spontaneous desistance. Pagtatangka ang krimen ay tinangka kapag ang nagkasala ay nagsimulang gumawa ng isang felony ng direkta o higit sa mga gawa, at hindi nagsasagawa ng lahat ng mga gawa ng pagpapatupad na dapat magbunga ng felony dahil sa ilang kadahilanan o aksidente maliban sa sariling kusang pagpigil. B. Frustrated when the offender performs all the acts of execution which would produce the felony as a consequence but which, nevertheless do not produce it by reason of causes independent of the will of the perpetrator. Frustrated kapag ang nagkasala ay nagsagawa ng lahat ng mga gawa ng pagpapatupad na magbubunga ng felony bilang kahihinatnan ngunit kung saan, gayunpaman ay hindi nagbubunga nito dahil sa mga dahilan na independyente sa kalooban ng may kasalanan. C. Consummated when all the elements necessary for its accomplishment and execution are present. Consummated kapag ang lahat ng mga elemento na kinakailangan para sa pagtupad at pagpapatupad nito ay naruroon. 4. According to plurality. Ayon sa maramihan. A. Simple crime is single act constituting only one offense. Simple crime isang gawa na bumubuo lamang ng isang pagkakasala. B. Complex crime a single act constitutes two or more grave felonies or is a necessary means for committing the other two, kinds of complex crime. Komplikadong krimen ng isang gawa ay bumubuo ng dalawa o higit pang mabigat na krimen o isang kinakailangang paraan para sa paggawa ng iba pang uri ng komplikadong krimen. Compound crime, delito compuesto. Tambalang krimen, delito compuesto. Complex crime proper, delito complejo. Complex crime proper, delito complejo. 5. According to gravity. Ayon sa gravity. A. Grave felonies are those to which the law attaches capital punishment or penalties which in any of their period are afflictive. Grave felonies ay ang mga kung saan ang batas ay nakakabit ng parusang kamatayan o mga parusa na sa alinman sa kanilang panahon ay nagdurusa. B. Less grave felonies are those which the law punishes with penalties which in their maximum period are correctional. Less grave felonies ay yaong pinaparusahan ng batas ng mga parusa na sa kanilang pinakamataas na panahon ay correctional. C. Light felonies are an infraction of laws for the commission of which the penalty of arrest minor or a fine not exceeding 200 pesos or both is provided. Mga magana felonies ay isang paglabag sa mga batas para sa paggawa kung saan ang parusa ng pag-aresto sa minor o multang hindi hihigit sa 200 pesos o pareho ay ibinibigay. 6. According to the nature of the act. Ayon sa likas na katangian ng kilos. A. Crimes malainse are acts that are inherently evil. Examples are murder, robbery, etc. Ang mga krimen na malainse ay mga gawa na likas na kasamaan. Ang mga halimbawa ay pagpatay, pagnanakaw, at iba pa. B. Crimes malaprohibita are acts that are prohibited only because there are laws forbidding such acts. Examples are illegal possession of firearms, traffic violations, etc. Ang mga krimen na malaprohibita ay mga gawaing ipinagbabawal lamang dahil may mga batas na nagbabawal sa mga ganitong gawain. Ang mga halimbawa ay illegal possession of firearms, traffic violations, at iba pa.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic learning guide to criminology, sociology of crimes, ethics and human relations. If you learned something from this video, Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumabon YouTube channel.